Alright guys, since they gave me the wrong compressor, I can't work on the compressor, and I'm changing up the alternator. Um, so basically, the bolts that you could see were pretty simple. This is an old car. This alternator probably came with this car, probably was never changed. And the bolts were just very difficult to take off. I wouldn't say they were seized, but they were kind of seized. Particularly that bolt, the third bolt on the inside, bottom inside. That bolt took a long while. It took a long while to take off, and you could do it. It's not a problem. You just use a little extension, something like that. But the issue that I had with this was, they had this little thing that connected to the alternator. This little thing that connected to the alternator is just really a huge pain, and it's just a little plastic thing that connects that grabs onto the wire. And then you got this one. I mean, you're gonna take that off first so you can turn this around. Once you turn this around, I don't know why, like, why does Ford make these inverted stuff? Like, normally you press it and then it release it, but then you'd have to take a screwdriver and pry this open from the inside to take this off. I mean, it's just plain stupid, guys. But this alternator should have been just very easy to take off, but it was just a lot more difficult than it was. And this the design of this thing. That third bolt was just absolute hassle. It shouldn't have been a hassle, but it was just an absolute hassle to take off. Absolute pain in the butt. It should have been like a really simple thing. And it just took like so much to get that off. But anyway, I'm just complaining because of the amount of time it took for this job. It should have been just so easy.